This is how to make any audio sound like you're going underwater. Today, I'm going to teach you how to build an underwater sound effect on Premiere Pro, but we will also teach you how to further enhance it with great sound effects and audio generated by MusicGPT. Think ChatGPT, but for music and sound effects. Audio is about 50 to 80% of the viewing experience of watching any video, so having great music, sound effects, and audio is essential for making your video stand out and be more immersive. So what you'll do is you'll go to musicgpt.com and describe the song you'll want to create. So for my song, I'm going to describe it and I'm going to say a hard-hitting tech house track with a heavy bass line and a catchy one-liner vocal. All right, we'll click this, click generate, and let's give it a listen. That's pretty good. So we won't go too crazy on the sound effects today, but first off, we need some ocean ambience. So I'm just going to go here, describe the sound effect. Okay, I'm just going to type in ocean ambience, click generate, and let's see what it comes up with. It's perfect. I love just adding some ocean ambience or ambience of whatever environment you're in. It really just starts to get people acclimated to the sound. So I usually always start with ambience. The next thing I move into is more specific stuff. Sound effects that really describe or, auditorially describe what's going on in the scene. So when we watch our video back, we see we have this guy jumping off a boat. He has his mouth open, so he's probably screaming. I'm gonna type in whoosh, let that generate. MusicGPT is really cool because it gives you a lot of original sound effects that are unique and not many people will have them. So they're kind of unique to you. And now we need a water splash. We need something that indicates him jumping into the water. I found the more specific you are, the better. So let's describe it. We're going to type in jumping into water and the water splash. Literally perfect. That's exactly what we're looking for. Now let's do a bit of a scream, a yell. It's one of the highlights of the clip. And whenever I'm picking out sound effects to use, you don't want to overdo it. You want to do the main things that are easily visible to the eye, like what the eye would comprehend as audio. MusicGPT, really cool tool to generate your own sound effects in your own music. Like think about it. You won't have to go and search through sound effects on another platform. You can just describe the sound effect you want and it'll just pop up. I mean, complete game changer and saves a lot of time. Before we get to the rest of the video and I show you how to do that underwater sound effect, I just want to remind you guys to subscribe, drop a like, drop a comment below what you want to learn next. We're still a small channel. Any engagement really helps us out. So thank you guys. Back to the video. Download your song and your sound effects from MusicGPT and then bring them into Premiere Pro. And the first thing you'll do is line up the music with your video exactly where you want it. I want it to be on beat. I want when he jumps off, that's when I want the beat to start. So you do that, just put your playhead right when he jumps off the boat and then line your playhead line up with when the beat hits. And now as you can see, there's this like little beat hump. That's exactly where you want to line up the beat with your playhead. So do that, and as you can see, it lines up perfectly. The next thing you'll do is add in your sound effects. And just like how we lined it up with our playhead where we wanted them to start, you do that each time. For instance, let's start with the whoosh. He's in the air right about here, and I'm gonna drag my whoosh sound effect right on this line, perfectly lined up. Let's do the same for the shouting. We're gonna go right to when he jumps off, his mouth is wide open. Right there is where we want the yelling sound effect to go. Now we'll go to the splash. Right when he hits the water, right about here, that's when we're going to do the splash. Again, just move it right on the line of your playhead, right where it starts. For the ocean ambience, we're going to start this at the beginning of the clip because, ocean ambience, we're on the ocean. It's not like it starts at one point. It's continuous throughout. So you just drag this to the start of your clip. So now you have your sound effects and your music lined up perfectly. The next thing you'll do, we'll get the sound effects out of the way, and then we'll do the underwater sound. So what you'll do is you'll go to effects, search surround reverb, drop it on one of your clips, then go to edit, go to presets, drop down this menu and go to somewhere not here. This is, in my opinion, the best preset to use. It's somewhere not here. There's a bunch of other ones, but this is the best one that is just, it's ethereal. It's just makes the audio a lot more natural. Again, surround reverb, somewhere not here. Now, you'll just right click on the sound effect that has the surround reverb effect, go to copy, highlight all your other effects, and click paste attributes. Make sure the surround reverb is checked. Now let's get right to the underwater sound effect. Go to effects, search low pass, and then add it to your music layer. Go to the point in your clip where you transition to underwater and set the cutoff to 20,000, then make a keyframe. Move to when you're completely underwater, set the cutoff to 500, then go right before you're about to come out of the water. Again, right before you're about to come out of the water, keyframe this, your keyframe should be 500 still, and then move your playhead right to where he comes out, and then you're gonna change your cutoff back to 20,000. And there you go, it's as easy as that. I linked the project file below in the description, so definitely go download it, totally free. You can have access to all the assets I used in this video. Again, right in the description below. If you made it this far in the video, make sure to subscribe. And again, comment below what tutorial you want next. Check out Mirror Camp and join our online school for more.